Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Gamers. Today I'm gonna show you how to connect Subway Surfers to Facebook. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the application. After that, click on Settings option. There you'll see to connect option. You have to click on the connect option in Facebook, which will lead you to your Facebook account. Here once again you have to click on continue as your Facebook account, and finally your Subway Surfer account will be connected to your Facebook. So this is how you connect your Subway Surfer with your Facebook. I hope you find this video very helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.